Greetings ladies and gentlemen, it's Lwandile here, the leader of Manique School. Today we're going to be doing exercise 1.6 from student C's perspective. By the way, this exercise is one of the few exercises that we won't have three solutions out of. Reason being, it's way too straightforward, so it'll be a waste of time. Up to this point, I assume you guys know how to display things on screen, so there isn't much you can do out of it. So we're only gonna have two solutions, so this is gonna be the last one. However, it's gonna be from student C's perspective. So it's called exercise _1_6C. Then we choose that. What was that? What's going on now? The name is not valid. Oh, I coincidentally put dash instead of underscore, so this is how it should look. Exercise _1_6C, small letter C, by the way. Okay, then we hit finish. Okay, student C's solution will be more descriptive, so it's gonna be system.out.print, and then we will have the sum of the first 9 integers is. Okay, in this brackets here is actually optional, but as I've said it before, I prefer doing things in an organized way. So let's hit the run button and see what we get. So we have the sum of the first 9 integers is this, which is more user friendly compared to what we had from student A. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. See you guys on the next tutorial. Cheers.